Here we've got a Lindam child safety gate, and we're going to be fitting this on this landing because it's the only place where we can fit it. It won't actually fit at the top of the stairs because it's too big. It's not a brand new one, it's one that we've been given. So I'm just going to go through a few points and show you how to fit it safely. It's just a pity really, it won't fit across the stairs, but it won't do, so we're having to put it across the landing here. And you've probably already noticed that we can't actually get it in straight because of the architrave and because of the newel post. But that's not a problem. The important thing is to make sure that it's safe once it is fitted. So I'm just going to point out a few points to you now that should make sure that if you fit one, it is safe. So this is the handle that you use to open the gate. You have to press both buttons in and then lift up the lever, and then you can move the gate in either direction. And if you look down here at the bottom of the gate, you have these plastic clips. So you can bend both of those down to lock the gate securely, so there's no chance of a child opening it. Or you can use them so that the gate can only be opened in one direction. So if I just bend one side down, the gate will only open in that direction. And you can do the same on the opposite side. So that's useful if you're putting it at the top of the stairs and you only want the gate to open inwards. So to fit the gate, you put it in the gap where you want it to be, and then you screw these adjusters at the bottom until they're as tight as you can get them. And once you've done that at both sides, you can then concentrate on the top. At the top you've got two adjusters, and it's important that you adjust these correctly so that you get a smaller gap as possible in the centre, which is where the handle locates. So we're going to use these wall cups to ensure that the gate can never be knocked out of position using a lot of force. Once it's located in there, it'll be extremely difficult to move the gate in any direction. It is pretty solid now, and that's without using the wall cups. So the first job is to install the wall cups. So I feel that pressure plate in position there, and then slacken off this plastic nut. It should give us enough space to get the wall cup in position. So that's a close-up of the wall cup, and we're just going to place that on there, and then if we push that out, we know where the wall cup needs to be positioned. So I've now just slackened the bottom adjustment screw, so we should be able to just move the gate out of the way. And then we're just going to put a wood screw straight in there. And then we just need to loosen this side off. And then locate the wall cup again. And then we'll just put another wood screw in the centre of that. So now we've got both of the top locating points located into the wall cups. We're now going to tighten up the adjusters at the bottom. And then we're going to tighten up the adjusters at the top. And if you look there, you'll see we've got a massive gap, which is quite normal because we now need to turn the adjusters to spread the gate, so as at that point we'll actually move into there. And you'll see that as I'm tightening that, the gap is slowly closing. And I'm just going to adjust the other side a bit now. And now if you look there, there's only a very tiny gap, which is how it should be. So as you can see, the gate's a lot more sturdy now, and because we've used the wall cups, there's absolutely no chance of that being pushed out of there. So if you look in there, there's hardly a gap at all now, which is how it should be. So you can open the gate now and close it, and you can be confident that that's going to stop any toddler from getting through it.